Hit me again, yeah, then I got nothing like a Rude boys, but I got them to tell your story. One thing Bacha tell a people. This is our story about a wonderful and beautiful girl. Oh, it's getting interesting, brother. This is our love story. Love, love, love. Great story of love, love. This is our love story. Love, love, love. Great story of love, love. Hear me now. It happened once in a Jamaica. In sweet, sweet Jamaica. A place where the blue ocean and green mountains meet under the unlimited sky cover with colorful rainbows in heaven. Remember who we sitting at the bar with Joe, the y'all Joe and Chick. Come boldly when an angel walking at the hall at you. An angel in a sunset color dress and you're as black as night. She smile, she did like a pearl. Me sadness seemed to suddenly run away without looking back. And me go to this girl, me go and greet her. Hey, what she tell him? What she tell me? My name Augustina, me very glad to meet you. Ooh, me love Augustina, Medicina, girl of me dreams. Sweet as a paradise, sweet as a morning breeze. Augustina, Medicina, where you know me sugar and spice. Come back, girl, please. Come back, girl, please. Say it again, Bacha. Augustina, Medicina, girl of me dreams. Sweet as a paradise, sweet as a morning breeze. Augustina, Medicina, where you know me sugar and spice. Come back, girl, please. Come back, girl, please. A long time have passed since then. Me grow up, me become a youth man. Once when me come back to Jamaica, me go to that bar again. And what happens then? Me see her again, unbelievable man. Yeah, she is just as beautiful and charming, with a skin that beat as bright and a voice as soft as the head, the blessed shining with her beauty. So pardon then. She recognized me, and up me asked me, where have you been before? Me said, Augustina, Medicina, girl of me dreams. Sweet as a paradise, sweet as a morning breeze. Augustina, Augustina, Medicina. Great story of love, love. Come back, girl, please. Come back, girl, please.